What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out. I'm in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, and in this episode I'm going to show you the hotel we got. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find without seeing me. People eat food, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on the trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
So when we got off the bus, it was on this street, and then the street where our hotel was only about a block and a half down, and you just turn right. So we're gonna take you there now so you can see what it would look like. And one thing I've noticed is the roads here are way more, you know, big paved roads, so then it allows the vehicles to actually drive at full speed, compared to maybe Phnom Penh, where people are more like kind of tooting along slower on a little scooter. Here it's like you got to be careful when you're crossing because people are coming at full speed and there's big buses and cars. So this was the lane we were on. So I found this hotel we were searching places on booking.com, but and it's like low season now, so we're not worried it would sell out. And it's sometimes better if you just walk in and ask for a price, because then booking.com doesn't need a share of it. You know what I mean? You can get cheaper. And so I found this place that had everything, and it was about 20 bucks a night, but split between two, it's only 10 bucks a night. So for our 5-day total trip, it's only going to be 50 bucks each to stay in this hotel, like for the whole time. And it was so clean. You'll see when I get up there. Well, now we've been living in it for a while, so it might be a little bit messy. So this is it. They can help you book trips here. That they helped us find the bus 2 days ago. We went to a 3-hour trip to Vung Tau City on the southern tip of Vietnam because there's a beach there. And we didn't want to pay for an expensive tour guide tour, so we were just like, is there just like buses that go to the city? And the ladies here were really helpful. They told us of a really good bus line that's very cheap. It was only $5.50 each way, and it's like a 3-hour bus ride. They exchange money here, and they also can do laundry for very cheap, so it's really good, and they speak really good English. What's kind of funny, I was thinking about it, some of these other hostels along here are those rooms that have multiple bunk beds in them. So you have to sleep in a room with like 6 other people or whatever. And I think those are about $6 or $7 a night, probably, maybe even 8. And here we have our own private room and it's only like $2 more, like 10 bucks a night. So it's like way smarter to look into, can we get a place that has like 2 beds in it for cheaper? And even if you had 4 people with you, you could just get like 2 rooms like this. You get a fridge and a kettle. He gave us this case of water. Come to our favorite pho place. We've been coming here like every morning, called Pho Cat. Pho Hotel. It's right on the main street. And I'll get the brisket with beef balls. And Matt's got like the works. He gets the one with everything in it. So let's see if we can get a souvenir here. This blue one would be good. I like this blue one, but maybe, do you have a new one? This one's a little bit dirty.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have another blue. Okay.
That looks alright. Let me see this one. For a blue one?
Okay.
Yeah.
This one.
So these fans, they're about $1.50. So. Oh yeah, I like this one. Yeah. The yellow. So it's 32,000 dong, which is 25 is $1, so it's about $1.50 for these. It's only $1.50. What about one of these cone hats? Well, that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
My name's Tom.